We are intoxicated by the Bhang of beauty. Somewhere the melody tucks with our flip-flops. Somewhere the colors all the corner of our skirt. If the eyes of which suddenly falls at me, would come to conceal into your rounded locks. We are intoxicated by the Bhang of beauty. The worst likely the drunkards of this town go far from themselves and seek for themselves. Thoughts have made a broken container their residence. Far-standing utterance is watching the scenario. They are intoxicated by the Bhang of beauty. When the immemorial era would be beauteous like your embroidery, evening mist should arrive to praise your locks. The air should every day pull apart its own shoe. First fragrance should rub on the body's squalor. We have the treasure of love devoted community. Time has twisted ends, had bent and standing. Today far flung I have observed a sojourn for myself. We are intoxicated by the Bhang of beauty. The sea is mimicking your way of walking. My world is bright like my tears. Cloudy mist equal your fragrance in a period of aroma. Like the night's love is in all prey. On the way beside the street, kids they floated them. Feet are on the sky in watching the earth. We are intoxicated by the Bhang of beauty.